Luis Conde here, talking about film photography again. So today I'm just loading a film, 35mm film, into this beauty. This is a camera made in the old USSR, and yeah, possibly you can read. And the name of this camera is FED4, of course. So I'm going to show you guys how to load 135mm film into this. So firstly, to open this camera is very different from a normal 135mm camera. We normally open these cameras on the top, and it opens the window at the back, but this one has got these knobs here at the back that we need to lift up and turn them under the 80 degrees around, like so, and then we take the cover, the back cover, off, and it's a funny camera, so we can see the interior. So to load this film, that is actually I load this film by myself from a bulk load, which I got a video in my channel if you want to watch. Basically we put the film into the camera like so. I think you can see now, and so it's going into, we adjust here, must be with my hand, with my right hand. It's difficult to do with the left. So we just, once the canister is there, we just pull the film a bit and until there, and we just need to put in this hinge here into position. Well, in fact, the best way to do it is taking this, because it's a bit fiddling, so you take this hinge here from the camera, and then we put the film this way at the back. So now it's, I don't know if you can see it, but now it's there at the back. So, and then we just move a bit forward, little bit forward, and then we put the hinge back into the camera again. So there, yep. And then we can advance the film like so. Make sure that the film is aligned. Yep, that's it. Now the film now is caught there in the hinge, and then we just move the film. Now if you can notice, it's aligned there on the perforation, so it can move forward without any problems. So with the film onto place, we can now put the back of the camera. We make sure that we align the back here, both sides. If you can notice there, yeah, like this way is better. So then we can move into the camera like so. Okay, now it is perfectly adjusted. So now we need to shut again, so this, it's like we turn back into the initial position, and the back it's completely shut, and we just advance. Before we do the advancing of the film, is always good to put the counter into 0, which has got a position there. I don't know if you can see a little arrow there, and we have to put at zeros, so this way is going to count. So we need to set up everything manually, so we need to be aware of everything in this camera. Everything is manual, so even the counter, we need to set up the counter because it's not automatic. If we don't set up the counter a 0 to a 0 position, then we don't know, in the middle of a film, we don't know what photogram we are taking. If it is in the middle, 10, 12, we don't know, so we need to put at the 0 at the beginning, just for the camera just carry on the counting. Okay, so it's a bit fiddling, but once the film is there, it's a great camera. It's very strong. I will upload a video about the characteristics of the camera, the features. It's very strong. It's like a brick, but it's very nice camera. I like it. It's very funny to work with. The lens is quite good, but I'm talking about the details of the FED4 made in the old USSR, Russia. Thank you very much for following. Don't forget to subscribe and follow this adventure in photography in film. Okay, with me, Luis Conde. Bye bye.